This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly.
Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how hackers or cyber criminals send USDT that appears in their victim's wallet and then disappears after 48 hours. That's just 2 days. By the time the victim realizes, the hacker is long gone with no trace left behind. In this video, I'll explain how this actually works, the logic behind the code, why it works, most importantly, how you can protect yourself so you don't fall victim to this scam. Important disclaimer: this content is purely for educational and awareness purposes only. It demonstrates how cyber criminals steal people's money using modern crypto scams. It does not promote any illegal activities. Hacking or accessing anyone's wallet without consent is a crime and punishable under cybercrime laws. Always stay ethical and legal. Now, let's get started. Now, on the terminal, we'll enter a directory called USDT Flasher. From here, we will run the actual USDT tool. Let's run it and see how everything works. The program prompts me to enter the target USDT wallet address. I'll go ahead, copy the address, and paste it here. Next, it asks how much USDT I want to send to the target. For this demonstration, I'll input 100 USDT. Then, it asks for the transaction network I want to use. As you can see, there are different options, but since the wallet address I entered earlier is a TRC20 USDT address, I'll input number 3 for TRC20 and press enter. Now, you can see the terminal is connecting and processing, performing handshake with peer nodes, synchronizing block headers, validating wallet address, fetching recent mempool transactions, preparing flash transfer of 100 USDT, encrypting and broadcasting packets across simulated nodes, and much more. Now don't click away just yet. What's about to happen next is where you'll really start to understand how everything comes together step by step. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's happening behind the scenes so you can see the entire process in action. No skips, no guesswork. By the end, you'll not only know what's happening, but you'll understand why it's happening. So stay with me, keep your eyes on the screen, and let's break this down together in real time. Transaction completed. Now, here's the transaction summary. It shows that 100 USDT has been sent to the victim's wallet address. It also shows the expiry date, which is exactly when the funds will disappear from their wallet. How this works: the 100 USDT will last for 48 hours, 2 days before disappearing. Why does this work? Hackers or cyber criminals exploit vulnerabilities in how certain wallets display token balances. Instead of sending real blockchain tokens, they send fake or non-standard tokens that only appear in the wallet interface. Because there's no real USDT on the blockchain, the token vanishes after a certain time, or becomes unusable. Cyber criminals have been using this trick for years in peer-to-peer crypto trades, buying items like laptops, phones, or gadgets on insecure websites, depositing into unregulated betting platforms. They make thousands of dollars every month because victims see the money in their wallet and believe it's real. How to protect yourself. 1. Use a reputable crypto wallet with proper token verification. 2. Avoid transactions outside of your trusted wallet. No side deals or random links. 3. Buy crypto only from verified vendors with a strong reputation. 4. Always verify every transaction on the official blockchain explorer. It will tell you whether the USDT is real or fake. 5. Keep your wallet app updated to patch security vulnerabilities. 6. Stay informed about the latest crypto scam trends. Final disclaimer. This video is only for awareness purposes. It does not promote any kind of illegal or scam activity. The wallet address used in this video belongs to me, and I have full permission to use it for this demonstration. Everything shown here was set up in a controlled lab environment for educational purposes only. Hacking, scamming, or any type of fraud is illegal and punishable by law. Stay ethical, stay safe, and protect yourself online.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.